Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. I'm back out here with this Mobula 8, y'all. I think I figured it out. I think it was not the tune or the rates on the actual quad. I think it was actually this transmitter here. So my T-Pro, I don't know what was going on with it. I think I had some sticking in the transmitter or something. I don't know what it was, but it seemed like it had some kind of expo on it. But I changed the batteries and gave this thing a couple smacks. And it actually seems to work now. I don't know if I got the rates correct or the way that I want them now, but we about to find that out. So I got this guy already queued up. Let's get this guy up in the air. Let's hit record and hopefully it's going to start recording. Okay, I think it's recording. Let's take off with this thing. Really windy out here, y'all. I don't know what's this RC smoothing that's going on with it. I turned it off, the RC smoothing, so I don't know what the heck is going on with that. So I can flip now. I don't know why RC smoothing is flashing. I turned it off. I'm going to put the settings back on there the way it was and see if it will fly good. But it's flying okay now. Check me out, y'all. Kind of windy. I can't even dive fast with this thing because it's so windy and stuff. It seems really floaty. Yeah, I'm scared to go down there, down the bottom. The trees don't really have the leaves on them and all, so I know I'm not going to be able to see those twigs and everything. But for the most part, this thing is working. I can do my little flips and everything. Fly it around. I'm all over the Home Depot and everything. Let's bring it back over here. RC smoothing. I don't know. What do I have to have that on? Why is that flashing? Or is that making it? Is that making it a little more smooth or something? Is RC smoothing on? I have no idea, y'all. Your guess is as good as mine. Maybe the turbulence from the wind and everything is causing that to flash. Yeah, I'm really getting tossed around. .4 volts. Let's try to bring this guy back in. I just want to test it and make sure that I can do my little flips and everything with it. Let me come down the alleyway because the wind is blowing. Sheesh. The wind doesn't want me to come down here and fly down the alleyway. Sheesh. Okay, let's see if I can get it back in here to land it. Switch the line of sight so I can control this thing. Landed right here, y'all. So let's stop the video real quick. So turns out the whole time the problem with this thing wasn't really it was actually this darn Jumper T Pro. So this was the culprit right here. This right stick, for some reason it was sticking, or I don't know what it was. I've noticed that because I went into beta flight and was checking all of the channels and everything, and when I looked on the transmitter, I saw that whenever I moved left and right with this stick right here, it was moving slow on the screen, and when I moved with the left stick over here, it was, you know, right on point. It was very responsive. This side wasn't, and so I changed the batteries. It was still acting that way a little. I gave this thing a couple smacks, and it seems like it got loose again or whatever on the screen. Anyway, it never felt like it was loose or anything, but it was just registering as if some kind of expo or something was on a channel. And so now everything is okay. This thing seems to fly really well. It's very windy out here, not the best time to try to test this thing, but we got a good flight out. And I did save the settings and everything before I start messing around with it. So I think I'm going to go back and plug this thing into beta flight and restore the factory settings that were in this thing, and then test it again. And I'll give you guys my assessment of those rates and everything and how it flies. Hopefully they're good rates. These rates aren't too bad that I have now, but I'm just curious as to what the rates were when I first got the thing, since I found out that it wasn't actually required. So I'm going to save these rates that I came up with here just in case. And we're going to be back with another flight of this thing in the very near future, inshallah. Thanks for watching, y'all.